Hello everyone, myself Ojasvi Chauhan and today I'm going to tell you about forest. I know this is a very easy topic, but I thought to take it because everybody says that we should conserve forests, we should not cut them, we should we should protect them. So I thought let's take these topics and we should know why forests are important for us, why forests are our wealth. So we should know. That's why I took this topic. I know it's easy, but we should know why forests are important for us. So let's start. As you all know, we are doing the topic forest, so we should know what is forest. A forest is an area which have a huge vegetation. It has herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and climbers, and it has wildlife like tiger, monkey, anaconda, snakes. Many varieties of animals are there, and yes, don't forget tribal people. Tribal people or nomadic tribes also live in forest. All right, so let's come to the structure of forest, which is very important. Crown. Crown, branches of tree above the trunk. Let me draw an image. This is a figure of a tree. I know it's not good. Branches of tree above the trunk. This is trunk. Let me highlight. This area is trunk. All right. So it is saying branches of tree above the trunk. जो above trunk जो branches है, it's talking about that. So this area, this portion is a crown. The crown of all tall trees together form a roof over other plants that is known as a canopy. Like suppose, let me erase this figure also. So let me draw a fresh image. This is again a tree. All right. This is also a tree. ठीक है, यहाँ पे one more, let's take one last tree. So what I'm trying to tell you is canopy is crowns of tall tree that together form a roof over other plants. ये जो है ना, ये blue line which I have highlighted with blue line, this is canopy. मतलब ये एक साथ एक roof like structure बना लेते हैं. Understory, the plants that grow under that shed of canopy, like जो प्लांट्स उस शेड के अंदर ग्रो होते हैं, जो कैनोपी के शेड में जो ग्रो होते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज अंडरस्टोरी. Forest floor, it consists of many dry leaves, flowers, and new plants, seeds, organisms, and many more. Let's see about the importance of forest, our main topic, that why forests are important to us. All right. Prevents flood and maintain the water table. So how it prevents the flood and also maintain the water table? कैसे वो maintain करते हैं water table and prevents the flood? So what happens when rainwater falls on the leaves? Like rainwater is coming, all right. When it falls on the leaves and plants, it drips slowly onto the forest floor. Like जैसे सबसे पहले रेन ड्रॉप तब आएगी, वो सबसे पहले प्लांट्स के ऊपर ड्रॉप मतलब गिरेगी, एंड देन इट विल रीच टू द फॉरेस्ट फ्लोर. दैट्स व्हाई इट प्रिवेंट्स द फ्लड. दिस इज द मेन रीजन, बिकॉज बहुत स्लोली इट गोज अंडर द सॉइल एंड सॉइल absorb that water. So that's why the plants and trees, they prevent floods. All right, this is the first point. Plants prevents flood and maintain the water table as well. It prevents the soil erosion. See, if plants will not there, then there will be, of course, soil erosion will be there. The roots of plants, they bind the soil particles very tightly. See, in this figure, these are some crops. All right, these crops इनकी roots ने बहुत टाइटली सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को बाइंड करके रखा हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाई इट प्रिवेंट्स द सॉइल इरोजन एज वेल. दैट्स व्हाई वी से फॉरेस्ट इज आवर वेल्थ. अब पता लग रहा है कि या forests are very important to us. Many people know these, but most of the people, they don't know why forests are important. So we should know that. Yeah, forests supply oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. That's true that forests are green lungs of the earth. Like 20% of oxygen is generated from Amazon forest. Oh my god. See, this picture shows that forests are green lungs of the earth. And as you know, they inhale carbon dioxide. Plants inhale carbon dioxide and give out oxygen for us. They are doing us for this. They are doing us for us, I mean. Cool the air and increase the rainfall. Plants in the forest area, they absorb the water. As you know, the rainfall hoti hai, the plants and trees, they absorb the water. So they release this water during the process of transpiration. So now I hope so you know what is transpiration. It's a very simple process. Transpiration, these the leaves of plants and trees, they release water. So when they release water, the water will be evaporated. When water will be evaporated, so the clouds, the formation of clouds will be there. So that's why they cool the air and increase the rainfall. अब cool कैसे करते हैं भाई air? This is a very simple thing how they cool the air. It is like carbon dioxide is a very hot air. It's a very corrosive air and it is very harmful for us, and it's also very warm. तब सोचो इतना कम परसेंटेज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का इट इज हार्मिंग अस. देन थिंक अबाउट इट. व्हेन उसका लेवल तब 2% पे आ जाएगा, देन व्हाट इट विल डू. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट कूल द एयर, क्योंकि वो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करती है. दैट्स व्हाई इट कूल द एयर. प्रोवाइड फूड एंड शेल्टर फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ. इट्स ट्रू, अगर फॉरेस्ट नहीं होंगे तो इन बेचारे एनिमल्स को कहाँ से वाइल्ड लाइफ शेल्टर एंड फूड मिलेगा. इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी द किंग एंड द क्वीन ऑफ दिस जंगल. दे आर सिटिंग पीसफुली. monkey, oh, this monkey is eating an apple. So they are happily living in forest. Tiger is hunting. Oh my god. So we can say forest, they provide best habitat for various kinds of wild animals. So it's a very best habitat for wild animals. A large variety of plants grow in this forest. Animals like monkeys, apes, bats, caterpillars, butterflies, mosquitoes, tigers, lions, many herbivores, herbivores animals and carnivorous animals, scavengers, many varieties of animals live here. So that's why we say that we should not cut forest. This is the main reason, and we are getting many natural products from our forest also. Like हमें मिल रहे हैं काफी type के woods, oil, spices and gums and many more forest products. Plants also depend on animals. Like I think अभी तक तो सबने सुना होगा कि animals are dependent on plants or human beings are dependent on plants. But I think this is your first time that you have heard plants are also dependent on animals. If you have heard, then it's good. So plants are also dependent on animals. Animals like hummingbird, bat, butterfly, honeybees, mosquitoes and houseflies. What they do, they help in pollination of seeds. The animals also help in disposal of seeds. So whenever these butterflies or insects, whenever they sit on the flower to suck the nectar, so some seeds of those flowers are stuck in their foot. So when they fly, those seeds, they disperse somewhere. Some seeds are near the banks of rivers, some seeds are under the tree. So कहीं ना कहीं वो गिर जाते हैं seeds, तब ये बटरफ्लाई फ्लाई करती हैं क्योंकि उनके फीट में कुछ थोड़े से seeds चिपक जाते हैं. That's a specialty. So plants also depend on animals. This is true thing. Law of nature. This is a very important slide. Law of nature. That is why we say that to kill and to be killed. Wait a minute, where I was? Yes, I was on. That is why we say that to kill and to be killed, to grow and to die and get decomposed is the law of nature. It means कि कोई मरना नहीं मरना, मतलब ग्रो होना, डिकम्पोज होना, इट्स द लॉ ऑफ द नेचर. सपोज in this food chain, grass is eaten by grasshopper, then grasshopper is eaten by frog, then frog is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by hawk, and hawk is eaten by decomposers. So अब imagine, it's an imagination, if अगर हम frog को disappear कर दे तो imagine there are no frogs in the world, they are extinct. So the level of grasshoppers will be very high, and they will finish our crops, and they will finish our agriculture, they will finish trees and plants in the world, from the world. So this is a very harmful thing for us also. So now imagine second thing. Okay, suppose let's disappear this hawk from the environment. Okay, no hawk, so the level of snakes will be increased. So snakes ही snakes सारी जगह होंगी. then फिर frogs, then frogs, they will not survive, frogs will not be able to survive, frogs नहीं होंगे. so grasshoppers का लेवल बढ़ जाएगा, तब grasshoppers का लेवल बढ़ जाएगा तो कुछ क्रॉप्स नहीं होंगे, तो फूड चेन का भी कुछ फायदा नहीं, बिकॉज सब कुछ everything is destroyed. This is why we say forest is our wealth. So we should save forest. All right. So I hope you have understood that we should protect forest. All right. Okay. Bye bye everyone. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. Bye bye.